Most deliveries reconcile cleanly and move straight to payment. But once in a while, a vendor's invoice and the state's metric records don't agree. And that's exactly when ShelfSpace earns its keep. Here's what happens when ShelfiQ flags a problem. This is a wholesale delivery your team already checked in. It's marked received and receipt verified, so the count is done same as any other. But before it lets you pay, ShelfSpace checked the vendor's invoice against the state's metric transfer, and this time, the two don't line up. So instead of a green light, you get a flag. And ShelfiQ doesn't just say something's wrong, it tells you exactly what, in plain English, and how sure it is. It read the transfer, compared every line, and caught the mismatch for you. Here's what it found. Your vendor billed you for live rosin, $128 of it, but that product shows up nowhere on the metric transfer the state has on record. Every other line matches, just that one doesn't. That's a phantom line, billed, but the data says it never shipped. So ShelfiQ recommends the safe move. Short pay it. Pay for the 3 lines metric confirms arrived, leave off the one it can't, and send the vendor a note explaining the deduction. You don't overpay for phantom product, and you don't quietly eat a bad line either. You're the office, and this matches what you can see, so you go to act. And watch. The moment you open the approval, it doesn't just trust that flag from a second ago. It reruns the whole metric check live one more time right before anything commits. And there's the fix, in dollars. Instead of the full $280, you pay $152 for exactly what arrived. ShelfSpace takes the $128 phantom off the top and cues an itemized note to the vendor so they see just what came off and why. Click it and ShelfSpace goes to work. It drops the phantom line, corrects the payable, and sends the vendor an itemized deduction memo, all in one move. And be clear about what's happening here. This is reconciling the delivery, not paying it. No check is going out. Fixing the mismatch just makes the numbers honest before you ever cut one. And there it is, reconciled. The invoice now matches what the state received, the phantom live rosin line is excluded, and the delivery is queued for payment at the corrected $152. The mismatch is sorted before a dollar ever moved. That's how you troubleshoot a metric discrepancy in ShelfSpace.